I'm Dr. Zul Fazli Omar, HOD for Faculty of Business and Technology of Smart College. Today, I will talk about how to use YouTube Analytics. In this how-to video, we learn how to use YouTube Analytics. But first, what is YouTube Analytics? YouTube Analytics has the tools and metrics you can analyze to use to track the success of your videos uploaded to the YouTube. So there are 4 analytics tools on YouTube we are going to learn today. They are watch time, impressions and click-through rates, audience retentions, and demographics. Now, first and foremost, go to the YouTube websites and log into your account. You may need to go to your Google account if you don't have one. Next, once you log in to your youtube.com, go to YouTube Studio by clicking your profile pictures at the top right of your YouTube page. Then, find the YouTube Studio link in the drop-down menu. Afterwards, go to your dashboards on the left panel and click Analytics. Here, you will see the watch times of your entire YouTube videos. Watch times is the total amount of minutes, estimated, that viewers have spent watching your videos. The second tool in the impression, click-through rates. This can be found in the Content tab besides the Overview tabs at the Channel Analytics page. Scroll down the Content page and find the impressions on how your views led to watching time. The third tool in YouTube Analytics is the audience retentions on your videos. You need to go back to the Overview tab in the Channel Analytics page and scroll down the list of uploaded videos. Click any of your videos and find the audio retention tools. The audience retention tools allows us to see how well videos hold an audience attentions. And finally, the most exciting tools in analytics is demographics. To get the demographics, click the advanced mode beneath the account profile picture at the top right. Once you enter the advanced modes, there are statistics of all videos uploaded on your channel. The demographic tools and credible insight into who is watching your YouTube videos, when and where. So that is how to use YouTube Analytics. Visit Smart College to learn more about YouTube Analytics in our Diploma in Digital Marketing. I'm Dr. Zul Fazli bin Omar from Faculty of Business and Technology of Smart College. Hope to see you again. Remember, be smart and be different.